Ah, look what do we have over here. Nvidia's all new Super Series cards. This is some exclusive content, guys, and I believe we are probably the very first to actually make an unboxing and show you this card in India. I don't know what you people will do, but every one of you watching this video should like this video, guys, and also make sure to subscribe. Anyways, coming back to the video's topic, you people know, right? CES 2024 is going on right now, and it is absolutely lit. 2 days ago, only Nvidia globally unveiled their all new 40 series Super Edition cards, and I cannot believe we actually got our hands on the very first 4070 Super in India. You people have no idea to what lengths I go to get this sort of exclusive content on the channel. And apart from that, whenever these sort of launches happen now, there are basically two types of people. First kind is whenever there's a new product launch, they get like very excited, hyped about, and they're like ready to buy this sort of stuff. Second kind is whenever there is a new product launch now, people are excited about the older product getting a price cut and then being finally able to being afforded. I don't know what kind of people you are. You can let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, today in this video, you people will get complete information on the new 40 series Super Edition cards, and basically we'll be focusing on the 4070 Super. So first of all, Super Series GPUs are like an upgrade over their existing 40 series lineup, and during CES 2024, Nvidia unveiled three new cards. You're getting 4070 Super, 4070 Ti Super, and also top of the line 4080 Super. Unfortunately, there is no 4090 Super as of now, but maybe in future we'll get to see that as well. Talking specifically about the 4070 Super, it features like substantial amount of performance over their regular 4070. You're getting almost 20% more CUDA core, so that adds up to the whole performance, and this was mainly designed for like excellent 1440p max ultra graphic gaming. So this is the kind of results you can expect over here. And main highlight is Nvidia is saying that this all new 4070 Super is even faster than your 3090. Like crazy, right? When you add up DLSS 3.5 as well, it is almost like 1.5 times faster than a 3090. This is something we'll get to know once we actually power it on and check it out in practical performance. So that was basically like what's new on the Super series. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Whoa, our brand new GeForce RTX 4070 Super from Inno3D came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you guys, we have the Twin X2 variant, which is a dual fan edition of the GPU, and I believe this is like a very affordable variant compared to the triple fan models out there. And on the front, you do have some of its main specs and highlights mentioned. 4070 Super features 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, and yes, it does support Nvidia's all new DLSS 3.5 frame generation. All these features are there. We'll talk about all of that in a moment. And that is pretty much it. From the looks of it now, packaging of this particular card looks very similar to Inno3D's regular 4070, and that's it. As soon as you open it, we have the GPU at the top nicely packed. You know, this year CES has been like lit, guys. So many exciting products, but out of all these, Super Series cards were something I was like really looking forward to. So right now though, we have the 4070 Super, but I'm pretty sure we will be getting the top end 4080 Super also in the coming days, so you'll have to stay tuned for all these video updates on the channel. And there you go, boys, finally in the hands. My god, 4070 Super. I can't wait to actually, put it on my PC and check out the performance. Keeping that aside, you also get a packet of candy. I'm just joking, don't really try to eat it. You also have some paperwork and user manual, just make sure to read this, and some power supply guidelines also. Inno3D recommends using a minimum of 650 watt power supply for the 4070 Super, same as the 4070 regular baseline variant. And lastly, you're also getting a GPU power cable included, a 12 pin to 2 8-pin connector. Hey, I don't remember if Inno3D's 4070 actually had this sort of cable. Let me know in the comment section. Now let me finally give you a closer look at the 4070 Super Twin X2 from Inno3D and talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, first of all, now the whole design language is very similar to their previous 4070. It has a 2-slot design and feels quite compact and lightweight. Again, as I've told you, this is like a very affordable variant, Twin X2 dual fan edition. You're getting 2 fans on the top side and a 2-tone color combination. Actually, it's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate, but I really like this brushed metallic sort of feel at the top side, though that part is actually made of polycarbonate. You've got the Inno3D GeForce RTX branding to the side. You can check out chunky blocks of heat sinks and also some heat pipes as well. And this is your 12-pin GPU connector. This is where you'll be connecting your GPU power cables, and that is pretty much it. Going to the bottom side here, you can check out their PCI Gen 4 connector, and that's it. Going to the bottom side, here's how the back profile looks like. You're getting a metal back plate with some nice Inno3D graphic designing as well. Says brutal by nature, and some details about the 4070 Super card. And yes, you're also getting some cutout on the right side, just just like the regular 4070 for heat dissipation. Talking about the IO ports, you're getting 4 ports on this particular model, 1 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DP ports are available. Overall, a beautiful and compact looking card. It can easily fit in almost all your PC cases, not to worry about that. Now that you people got to check out this card first hand in the video, let me also quickly talk about the specs and configuration of this all new 4070 Super. For your reference, I'll also quickly compare it with the 4070, which is an already existing GPU in the market. So first of all guys, 4070 Super is still based on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture and is based on NVIDIA's AD104 GPU TSMC 5nm process. And I'm pretty sure first question you have in your mind is there any improvement in the VRAM memory or any sort of stuff? But for your info guys, this one actually has the same VRAM memory, same VRAM capacity as well. You're still getting 12GB GDDR6X memory with a 192-bit memory bus width, which is exactly the same as your already existing 4070. And if you talk about the CUDA cores, now this is something you can definitely see an improvement. So compared to your regular 4070, on the new Super Edition card, you're getting almost 20% more number of CUDA cores, which is almost like 7168. So this is basically the main reason behind that whole performance boost. And not only that, you're also getting some slightly boosted clock frequencies as well, especially the base clock frequency. On the 4070, we had a base clock of somewhere around 1.92 gigahertz, right? On the Super Edition, base clock has been slightly lifted to 1.98 gigahertz. And apart from that, almost everything else is pretty similar, guys. And talking about the TGP, so Super Edition 4070 is rated at around 220 watts. So that was basically our very first exclusive unboxing and also hands-on at the all-new 4070 Super. And the first thing I'll do right now is go build a brand new test bench PC, insert this card and check out how the new Super Edition card performs. I'm like very excited guys, can't wait to compare it with their already existing 40 series lineup and also some competition. Unfortunately for you people, I cannot show you the performance or benchmarks as of now because there is like an embargo on this thing, so you'll have to wait for 3 more days extra until I can reveal the benchmarks and performance. But don't worry, mark your calendars, I will be posting my benchmarks and performance video very soon. I think probably we'll be again the very first to do this in India guys, so stay tuned for that. In that video I will definitely do a lot of detailed comparison. Let me know what sort of games I should do testing and maybe at which resolutions. As I've told you, 4070 Super is mainly targeted for like 1440p max ultra gaming. You can aram se play AAA title games. In fact, Nvidia has also shared some benchmarks on their website, plus they've also done some gen to gen comparisons as well, 30 series 20 series card versus these new 40 Super Edition cards. And based on that, I got a glimpse that this new card is around like 15-16% faster. But again, this is something I'll have to test it out myself practically in a real world test bench setup, and then I'll share my detailed analysis in my full review video. And if you have any sort of questions, do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely talk about that in the full review video guys. And now lastly, I'm pretty sure you people are excited about the pricing, nah? So first of all, Nvidia has announced the Super Edition cards at the same price of the regular base 40 series cards guys. In fact, the base edition regular 40 series card are getting slight price cut as well, though they've only given like the US prices as of now. We still don't have the Indian pricing details, but I can definitely give you like a basic hint. So in the US now, the 4070 Super will be starting at around $599. So if you convert that and add GST, taxes and all of that, I believe 4070 Super pricing should start somewhere around maybe 63-64,000 rupees in the Indian market. We'll anyhow get to know all of that in the coming few weeks. I'll keep you guys posted in the description box below. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.